I can bet you have never seen a product like this before. It can record audio both on your camera and mobile at the same time. And with receiver connected to your phone, you can still charge your phone. Isn't that awesome? And while recording, if the sound goes really loud, just switch on the limiter and the auto gain will automatically adjust. Now you can monitor your audio live because it comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. It gives you various levels of noise cancellation, and based on the environment you are in, just with a click, the noise is gone. The best part is the Saramonic app, which is super friendly and every setting you can control on the app. 300 meters of transmission range, your signal stays solid always. Comes in this awesome nice self-charging hard case. And if you think this microphone is big, then the kit also comes with the smallest lav mic, capturing from deep bass to high crisp voice. It is so tiny that you can clip it anywhere, literally anywhere. And with this 1.05-inch display, you can see all the settings in just one glance. Just open the case and everything connects easily. This is not just any other mic. The Saramonic Air is the cheapest and the most effective wireless system currently available in market, and comes with a lot of different combinations. By the way, whatever you heard so far was recorded on this mic only. Comes with all the tools you need in the box based on the kit you buy. Comment Air and I'll send you the buying link and all the details.